everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm here for a very quick video. I know my last lock video I gave you guys a valuable tip. See the video here, but in short, if you braid your locks prior to styling, it makes styling easier. And I also have another styling tip in that video as well, so definitely check it out if you haven't seen it already. But in that video I didn't really show you exactly how you can make a lock bun with braids and why it's easier, or how it's easier. I think I explained it pretty well, but I didn't demonstrate it very well. So I'm going to take my bun down, which I used a couple pins which weren't really necessary, but I wanted the extra security. I know there's one more pin in here. Where is it? Okay, found it. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a bun with braids. Now my hair is braided, obviously, and I believe I used 6 locks per braid for the most part. So I don't have very many braids. I mean, I guess that's a relative term, but to me, I don't have a lot of braids. But anyone can do this no matter how many braids you end up with, because I know we all will have different outcomes when it comes to how many braids we'll have because of how many locks we have. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with just 2. Oh, it's in the ponytail, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that already. It's in a ponytail, pretty high. This is like my sweet spot when it comes to putting my hair up and not getting a headache. So for those of you who get tender-headed, for those of you who are tender-headed when it comes to doing buns and ponytails, try different heights and levels to see what works best, and I find that this works the best right here. So definitely try it out and let me know if that works for you. So I'm going to take 2. I'm going to wrap it around the base, wrap it around, and then tuck it under the braid. Okay, I'm going to take 2 more. I'm going to go in the same direction for now. Wrap it around. Wait, is this 3 in my hand? Oh, that's 1, 2. Okay. Wrap it around the base and tuck. I'm going to take 2 more. I'm going to do it the other way. Wrap it around. Is this the other way? I'm going to wrap it around and tuck. Okay, now I have some this way. Obviously you can do it in whatever direction you want. I find that it just looks like intricate when you do it in different directions, so that's what I'm doing. But it's absolutely not necessary to do it in different directions. But basically you guys see the gist of what I'm doing. I am simply wrapping it and tucking it. Pins are optional. I guess pins would be more necessary if you run out of tuck. If you run out of tuck, or if you just want extra security. Break for the shoulders. Okay. And I just have these 2 more long ones. Oh, this one came out, so I will pin that one because it came out. Okay, another break. Whew. This one I'll take this way. Should take it this way. I'll take it this way, but I wanted to, okay, I want it to flow, so tuck this one. This one I'll tuck it in the back because it's short, and I have a couple more stragglers in the back. I'm gonna just tuck it under in the back. Okay, See what I mean? Super simple. Wrap and tuck. That is the technique. I see this one is kind of loose. I don't like that. I'm gonna secure that a little better. Okay, that's better. This isn't quite the bun that I had when I first started the video. Ooh, it's kind of tight right there. But you guys get the idea, right? The thing with Loctyles very often is really hard for you to get the same results twice. I know I'm not the only one who feels that way. It's very difficult to get the same result twice. But that's part of the lock life. So this happens to me from time to time. I'm doing my hair off camera, just playing around, and then I really like it, and then I wish I did it on camera for you guys. So basically all I did was take my braids and braid them up into bigger braids, and then pin the braids around my head into this updo. So what I'm gonna do now is take it down and put it back up. Hopefully I do it the same way so you guys can see how I did it. I mean, honestly, when it comes to styles like this, you really don't have to do it exactly how someone else does it. It's really about how your locks flow and form onto your head. But I'm gonna just show you how I do it so you can just get like an idea of how you can possibly do yours if you decide to do this hairstyle. And if you do decide to do this hairstyle and you post it on Instagram, make sure that you send it to me so I can repost it into my story, you know, at Keisha Charmaine. So I'm gonna take it down now and come back. Okay, so it's down, and as you can see, I braided my braids into big chunky braids, right? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big old braids on my head. And one thing that I should let you guys know, to make this style as smooth as possible, you want to try to braid it flat. Like, you see how it's flat? Do you see what I mean when I say flat? Braid it flat so that it can lay smooth. So this one, I'm going to bend it like that and then pin this part down to my scalp. Okay, and then I'm going to take this lock braid and I'll put it down around, and I'm going to pin it here. I'll just pin it. Actually, I'll pin it. I think I'll put this in front. I'll pin it. How exactly did I do it? I think I will pin it on this side. I'll put it here. To the scalp. It's not gonna stay. And I find this is the difficult part when it comes to pinning. It's kind of hard to like get your footing and pin it the best way. Okay, that'll do. Then I'll take this one, wrap it around, and pin it. So if you're looking for a pinless updo, this ain't it. You're gonna need pins for this one. Then I'll take this one. Not quite. So I'm gonna figure out how to pin these properly, but you guys get the idea, right? So I'm gonna come back once I perfected this, because I don't want you guys to be staring at me struggle. Be right back. I rushed to give you guys an example, an idea of how you can do braided styles, and they are protective styles to an extent. You can put them in and leave them in for a while, so you don't have to worry about styling it for a while, maintaining it for a while, and that's a protective style. Basically what a protective style is what is when you can put your hair away, basically, so it's protected from over manipulation and the elements. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Obviously this video wasn't planned, or else I would have had a little beat face. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine, and definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my shop, www.keishacharmaine.com. That's it. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.